In the previous video, we learned that Tsukio Tanaka was responsible for the evacuation of the personnel in case of emergency. In this video we will try to expand the receptionist's activities a bit by granting her extra rights and permissions. There are 4 tasks that our office assistant Tsukio Tanaka likes to add to her duties as a receptionist. When a door is secured with a PIN code, the visitor also needs a PIN code to enter without assistance. Assigning and withdrawing badges can also be done in the visitor management module. But Tsukio wants to register these cards in advance. Which visitor cards are still in use? And which visitor cards have been collected? Watch the swipe ticker and see who is entering and exiting the office. It is in the AMS configuration where we need to modify the rights and permissions for our receptionist. When it is not completely clear what needs to be configured where, the AMS help might provide us the answers. Here it shows us the procedures to follow the right route to our goal. And provide us with links where we can read more detailed information about all the steps. So if we want to understand how to construct the workstation profile for a specific user, we can follow the link. And there we learn that we need to add the user profile for the receptionist to the workstation profile for her PC. Let's do that. First we will have a look at the current status of our office manager. She got a profile assigned to do her receptionist duties in the visitor management module. But now we need to provide her extra rights to perform the additional tasks she requested. First we will create a new user profile with the proper rights. In personnel data the receptionist should be able to set the PIN codes. So we set that to yes. And also the rights in the visitors and visitor cards menus need all to be set to yes. And of course she needs rights to start the map view and open the swipe ticker. And finally we also provide her the visitor management receptionist rights in this profile. Now let's assign the just created profile to the user. And unassign the old VM receptionist profile, because that has become redundant. From the help we learned that we also have to create a workstation profile. Else the user can still not log on. Let's assign the similar rights also to the workstation profile. PIN code. Yes. Visitors. Yes. Visitor cards. Yes. Map view. Yes. And lastly the special assignment, where we need to assign the user profile to the workstation profile. That creates a combination of a user and a workstation. Final task is to add the workstation profile to the receptionist's computer. Now the time has come to check if our Tsukio can perform the requested rights. Start with the PIN code. Our guest needs a PIN code to pass the doors that have extra protection. Lauren O'Sullivan is the favorite guest of James Williams. She will get the first PIN code for a visitor. First request. Checked. Second request was to register and enroll cards for visitors. Second request. Checked. She could already in the Visitor Management module, but now Sukiyo can also assign cards in the AMS configuration. And can she also see the status of the visits? Yes. Third request. Checked. Now let's see if Sukiyo is able to enter the map view. She can. And can she also open the swipe ticker? Yes. She can. So also the fourth and the last request is fulfilled. Sukiyo is happy. Everything she asked for is now available for her. This concludes video part 7 about assigning rights to users and workstations and combine these rights and policies. Next video will be about calendaring. We will learn about date and time models and special days.